In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adalo for beginners. Start by heading to the Adalo website. On the home page, look to the top right and click Sign Up. You'll land on a short form. Enter your email address, then create a secure password you'll remember and type in your full name. When those fields look good, click the button that says Let's do this to create your account and continue. Once you're in, look at the top bar and open the small drop-down next to the app name. From there, choose Create New App to start fresh. You'll be asked where you want users to access your app. You'll see options for mobile, tablet, and desktop together or mobile only. To keep things flexible, select mobile, tablet, and desktop for now, then click Next. Now you'll choose a template. Templates provide pre-built screens and flows that save time, especially when you're just getting started. Browse the options, click the one that fits your idea, and then click Next. Give your app a clear, memorable name. After that, choose a primary color. This is the main accent you'll see on buttons and highlights, and a secondary color that complements it. Don't stress too much about perfection. You can refine branding later. When you're ready, click Create. You'll land in the editor. To add content, click the plus sign to open the panel where you can see components, sections, and features. Components are building blocks like buttons, lists, forms, and images. Drag them onto your screens to design your interface. Sections help you organize what you're building. Features can extend functionality as your app grows. For branding controls, click Branding. This is where you adjust colors, typography, and overall style so your app feels consistent. Next, click Screens to manage the pages of your app. Here you can add new screens from templates or create them from scratch, rename them, and set up navigation between them. Finally, click Database. This is where you design your collections and fields, the place your app's data lives. Even simple apps benefit from a clean data structure, so name collections clearly and keep fields concise. That's the full guided path. Sign up, start a new app, choose your platform and template, name and brand it, create the app, then explore the plus menu for components and use branding, screens, and database to shape how it looks, flows, and stores information. Follow along with your own project, and you'll have a working Adalo app in no time.